guys, what's up? My name is Double and today I am back with another video, and welcome back to my second channel, Kinzadisco. But remember to check out my first channel, Double. Anyway, I'm back here with another tutorial for a good friend, well, the same good friend, Restaurantity Zeus. Link in the description to his channel, like always. And he was having a bit of trouble with his uploading, but I'll do some more tutorials or whatever. And I was saying I might turn this into a tutorial channel. But okay, I don't want that. But I might turn it into that. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. So this video is going to be a tutorial on how to live stream all from your iPad. Now it's actually extremely easy, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So what you want to go into App Store. And you want to download this app called Omlet Arcade. It should be this. It should be like this little gaming thing. Now, I've already downloaded it. So once you've downloaded it, you just press open, and it should open up. Thing is, you have to make an account. As you can see, my icon is that B movie thing, and I just made a Kinzadis. And what you can do here is it's just basically another. It's a whole different community for iOS people. And what you can do, you can click on these three dots at the top of the screen, and you can just, look at all this stuff. This is account settings. You can add notification settings, autoplay, click down with that account. You can have account settings, mess with your account or whatever. No, I don't want that. But block use whatever, privacy, stream for your desktop, mess with that. But as you can see, it's like a whole different community for iOS users and stuff, for iOS games and streaming. So I think it's pretty obvious what you do now. You want to press this. I mean, you can look around, just look at other people's videos. You can make an account, and it's basically this. You can push certain like just clips, or you can make live streams for other people to watch. Now, I think it's pretty obvious how to live stream. You press this Go Live button in the feed section of the of Omlet Arcade. Press that, and here is what you do. Here is your settings part. Now, no matter what you do, it would automatically stream on Omlet Arcade because it's own community. But what you can do, you can log in with Facebook, YouTube and Twitch, so you can live stream on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, one at a time, two at a time, all at the same time. It doesn't matter. So if you want to live stream on YouTube, you just put in your YouTube account, I already have, and just select it, meaning you're now live streaming on Omlet Arcade and YouTube. You cannot actually change your Omlet Arcade one because it's, forever there. And you can do it stream on Twitch and stream on Facebook, whatever. I'm just going to stream. If you want to just stream with Omlet Arcade, you can just press next. But if you want to stream on YouTube, just sign into your YouTube account, select it, and press next. Now this is what you do. Now you choose your game that you're live streaming from your iPad. Just say I don't know, Pixel Gun. I don't even have the game. You know what? I just had a seizure, I'm sorry. Creative destruction. Now I'll give you this default heading, and you can change the title to creative playing C.D with friends or whatever. You can really name it whatever you want. And it's like here you have your normal description. You put whatever you want in there. Viewer games, and down here you have all this. You can change the quality. Keep it at 720, I would say. Live message only. Save to, and if you want, you can do a save to device thing, meaning your whole live stream is saved into your photos. And here, viewer games. Enabling viewer games will display a queue in the stream. Viewers can join the queue and wait to play with you. So basically it means that people who are watching your video can play with you in your game. Now once you're happy with all your settings, you press start stream. and it should bring you here. And it should have this little opening set. Or you want to go into the game you want to live stream. Let's just say this, create instruction, because that's what I put my settings on. Open it up. Now you want to open up your game before you do anything else. And what you do, you swipe up and you click the same button. I'm going to close App Store. You click the same button or hold down the same button that has screen recording with your camera roll. Now what will happen, as well as having the camera roll, I have every chord too, but if you scroll down you should have Omelette Arcade. Now what you do, but I can't actually do it now, but what you want to do, it's going to be automatically selected to camera roll, so what you do, you tap on the Omelette Arcade button. Make sure microphone audio is what you want. Like, if you want to talk, press it on. If you just want gameplay, turn it off. And then this stop recording button at the bottom should turn into a start broadcast, and it'll have a 3-second countdown like normal. And then once you're doing that, once you have pressed the start broadcast, it should start live streaming. There should be a notification that pops up at the top of your iPad saying, "Hey, you're live streaming now," and then if anyone watches a video, their comments will just pop up at the top of your screen if that's the setting you put it on, and you just play your game, whatever, and whenever you want to stop your live stream, swipe back up, hold it down, and because it'll be selected on Omelette Arcade, you'll press stop broadcast, and it should just stop. Now, if you want to check how good your stream is, you can go onto your computer or another device and get Omelette Arcade, because you can't watch your own live stream again once you've done it, because it's live and then it deletes itself unless you save it to your device, but that just saves it to your photos. So if you want, you can go onto a computer or another device, get Omelette Arcade, and then watch your stream while it's happening, see how much delay there is. And yeah, you can, see if the quality is good, see if you sound all right. And yeah, that's basically what you do. Spin me right around here. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Hope you found it helpful. And remember to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down that you subscribed for both of my channels, actually. And I'll see all you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.